Hello, my Pisceans. Welcome back to Jupiter Rising Tarot. We are going to do your general love read for October 2019. I'm going to give you guys two Psychic Tarot Oracle cards, and then we're going to get into your general read. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video if you're enjoying what you're watching, helping. If the video, I'm sorry, the energy in here just got very strange. Wow. I feel very confused. If the video isn't resonating, just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. And don't force it to fit. Check out your moon or your rising video. I feel like, are you surrounded by people, Pisces? Or something is up. One more. Temptation, material and spiritual prosperity. You're not allowing, okay. You are not allowing this person to take part in your life anymore. They once held the key to your heart. Wow. They once held the key to your heart, but you're not allowing for it anymore. You can take that key, melt it down, throw it in the garbage, throw it in the river. You're no longer coming anywhere near me. That is the choice you are making for yourself. You know, it's almost as if you know that you can have so much more if this person was not in your life. All right. King of Pentacles. You can have so much more, Pisces, without this person. If this person was not in your life, you may have a Knight of Cups. There you are. You've been noticing more and more your money, Seven of Cups, your money depleting. If this person, Knight of Swords, could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Five of Wands. They're petty. Couple of things here. Pisces, it's like you're blinded. You are blinded in realizing that this person, they're no good for you. Without them, you can have so much more. And one of those things is stability mentally, emotionally, and financially. I truly feel that you are financially stable. However, this person is not. And they're more than happy and more than okay with allowing you to take care of them financially. They always have problems. They always have financial problems. And because you're there, they may have a job, but they really don't care about going to work or not. If they don't feel like going, they don't go. Because why? Pisces will take care of the bills. If I want to get my nails in, Pisces will take care of it. Car payment, Pisces will take care of it. You're their ATM. What happened in the past? Ace of Wands. Eight of Cups. This relationship may have started off, Four of Pentacles, may have started off as a one-night stand, and that's exactly what you thought it was going to be. A one-night, one-night stand. However, this is a one-night stand that has turned into a long-term relationship. And the reason they stayed and it didn't turn into a one-night stand is because they realized how financially well off you were, how well you took care of yourself, and they wanted a piece of that. They wanted to be taken care of by Pisces. This person does not like to do the work for themselves. They do not want to have to put the effort in, put the work in to take care of themselves. They want everybody else to do the work and effort for them. Suggested action. Knight of Swords. Open your eyes, Pisces. This is a head over heart decision. Yes, you care about them. You care about them. You want to help them. You want to see them do better for themselves. But they're not doing what's better for themselves. You're doing it for them. Three of Wands. It's time to cut this person out of your life. Seven of Wands. Stand up for yourself. You need to do what's right for you. And this person being in your life is not anywhere close to what's right for you. Three of Wands. You have some... Let them go. They're funny. Let them go. I'm laughing because they pointed out how the eagle's flying away, but it's more of like, go. Put that person in your past, that a lesson learned, financial lesson learned, because you're losing money, Pisces. Put that lesson in the past. Cut this person out of your life. Head over heart decision. You guys are you're lovers. But this person does not love you. They love what you have. They love what you can offer them. They love what you can do for them and give them. But you, they do not love. Because if they did, they wouldn't be treating you like an ATM. You need to stand up for yourself. You need to do what's right for you. And this person needs to exit your life. So someone new, someone who actually does value you, not value your money, can come in. Possible blockage. Knight of Pentacles. The Emperor. And the Fool. Pisces, you value the fact, you may be Knight of Cups, you may be somebody who's in your, 20s, early 30s, and you've made a very good life for yourself thus far. You've accomplished things that, people in their 40s and 50s have not yet been able to accomplish financially. And you value that about yourself. But, for whatever reason, You know you have it to share, but what you're not realizing is this person is using you. You know you can, there's so much you can give out, but it's just going to keep increasing on how much this person is taking from you. You need to put your foot down. You need to stop dishing out the money. Stop being the ATM. Unplug it. Unplug it. Out of order. This person needs to do the work for themselves. They need to work, period, and pay their own damn bills. They're very immature. They're very, very immature. They do not respect the value of a dollar. They do not respect the hard work, effort, blood, and tears people such as yourself put into making that type of money, having that type of savings. So you need to, like I said, put your foot down. Truly let this person go. They don't love you, Pisces. They just love what you can do for them. I'll come in the future. Four of Swords. Knight of Wands. You're gonna heal. You're gonna realize I messed up. Three of Swords. I messed up. I let this person use me. I allowed for it to go on. But you know what? I'm gonna heal from this. The fact that they didn't really love you. They were just using you. You're gonna heal from it. And you're gonna move forward. And you're not gonna allow it to happen to you again. You're gonna be able to recognize the signs instantly. When you go through something like this, financially, emotionally, and a financially abusive person, an emotionally abusive person, a physically abusive person, you can smell somebody like that from 3 states away. When you've been put through something like this. And you will not allow for it again. No, sir. All right, my Pisces. I hope you enjoyed your read. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I love your comments. And I will see you on the flip side. Love you.